Hello and welcome to this session. Rolls are popular hairstyling techniques practiced all around the world. This hairstyle brings uniqueness and is suitable for parties and weddings.
Objectives. At the end of this session, you will be able to list the tools and materials for hairstyling with rolls, performed rolled ponytail hairstyle, and perform French roll hairstyle. Let's look at the tools and materials required for the procedure of hairstyling with rolls. You will need the following tools and materials such as styling chair, tail or style comb, setting clips, dry sterilizer, styling lotion or gel, hairspray, bob pins or jura pins, hair accessories, and rubber band. Make sure that all the tools are properly sterilized in order to prevent infections. Wash your hands with soap and water before the procedure. Gently pat dry with a towel. Arrange all the necessary tools and materials in a trolley. Make sure the trolley is kept near the styling chair for easy access. The procedure of hairstyling with rolled ponytail involves the following steps. They are: Step 1. Prepare the hair. Step 2. Divide the hair into 2 ponytails. Step 3. Roll the first ponytail. Step 4. Roll the second ponytail. Step 5. Finish styling using hairspray. Let's now look at all these steps in detail. Start by preparing the hair by ensuring that it is clean and dry. Use a brush gently to remove tangles and make it ready for styling. You can apply some hair product like mousse, serum, or texturizing spray to add grip and hold to the hair. Using a comb with a fine-toothed end, create a clean center part. For this, run the comb from the front of the hairline through the center of your scalp down to the nape of the neck. This will divide your hair into 2 equal sections. Take the first section of hair and create a ponytail. This will be used to create the first roll. Take the second section and create another ponytail. With the first ponytail, create a space just above the elastic band by making a small opening. Then flip the ponytail towards the side, threading it through the space you created. Repeat the previous step with the second ponytail. Take the first ponytail and start rolling it inward towards the center part. Start by rolling it slowly and tightly inward towards your scalp. Keep rolling until you reach the back of the head. Then secure the roll with bobby pins and remove the setting clip. Make sure the roll sits snugly against the scalp for a neat and secure hold. Repeat the rolling process as you did on the previous step on the second ponytail, creating a second French roll. Once you've rolled the hair on the second side, use bobby pins to secure it in place. Insert the pins vertically into the roll, crossing them over each other for added support. Make sure the second roll aligns with the first one, creating a symmetrical appearance. Use your fingers or a comb to smooth out any loose hairs and shape the rolls until you're satisfied with the overall look. Apply hairspray and use your free hand to gently smooth and shape the French rolls. This will ensure they maintain their structure and desired form. The hairspray will help hold the rolls in place and prevent them from unraveling throughout the day. You can also accessorize with decorative hairpins for added flair. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be discouraged if it takes a few tries to get the double French roll just right. With some patience, you'll be able to achieve a stunning hairstyle. Let's now look at the procedure of French roll. It involves the following steps. Step 1. Prepare the hair. Step 2. Create a ponytail. Step 3. Roll the ponytail. Step 4. Adjust the shape and position of the roll. Step 5. Finish styling with hairspray and accessories. Let's now look at each step in detail. Start by brushing the hair gently to remove any tangles or knots, ensuring that the hair is smooth and ready for French roll. Gather the hair towards the back of your head, creating a low ponytail at the nape. Secure it with an elastic band. Create a space just above the elastic band by making a small opening at the right side of the ponytail. Then, flip the ponytail towards the side, threading it through the space you created. Now you will begin rolling the ponytail. Start rolling the hair from the ends tucking it inwards as you go. The rolling motion should be tight and neat to achieve the classic French roll shape. As you roll the hair, keep tucking and rolling tightly towards the head. The goal is to create a smooth and secure French roll that sits close to the scalp. Make sure to maintain even tension throughout the process. Once you reach the scalp, use bobby pins to secure the French roll in place. Insert the pins vertically, anchoring the roll to your head. Adjust the shape and position of the French roll as needed. Gently pull on the sides to create volume and a fuller appearance. This step allows you to customize the shape and achieve the desired level of volume and elegance. To ensure the French roll stays in place all day, apply a light mist of hairspray. This will help to set the hairstyle and keep it secure, ensuring that it withstands the test of time. Complete the look by adding decorative accessories such as jeweled pins or flowers. These embellishments will add an extra touch of elegance to the French roll. That's it. By following these simple steps, you can create elegant French roll hairstyle.
This brings us to the end of this session. In this session, we have learned the tools and materials required for hairstyling with rolls, the procedure of rolled ponytail, and the procedure of French roll. Thank you for watching. See you in the next session.